Hi there, this is Avi, and she is an African Grey, and she's going to help us demonstrate how to administer oral medications to your bird. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to get her restrained in a towel gently. She's a little nervous about that, and I'm just going to show you how I would approach that in this situation. She's happy to be on my hand, and in order to get her in a towel, what I'm going to do is drape the towel over my chest. Because she likes to be cuddled, and I can cuddle her to my chest. I'm going to just cuddle her against the towel, and using my non-dominant hand, I am going to kind of hold her against the towel, and I am just going to hold her against my chest on the towel, and then use my non-dominant hand to drape the towel around her. And then I kind of just have her ensconced in the towel. She doesn't mind this at all. If she was struggling more than this, what I'm going to demonstrate is actually getting her head more securely restrained. So I'm going to use my thumb and my index finger actually around her neck. And I'm putting my index finger underneath the right side of her jaw, and then I have my thumb underneath the left side of her jaw so I can keep her head secure and keep her from moving her head around too much. And then I am being very careful to make sure that her chest can move freely. It's very important for the keel to be able to move. Right now I am holding her against my body to hold the her left wing in place, and then I have my the rest of my fingers of my right hand holding her right wing in place. She's now chewing on the towel. We're going to get that out of her mouth and get the towel wrapped around her so we can actually do the medication demonstration. All right, so I'm just going to, she likes to be footy, so I'm going to use the towel to hold her feet in place, and then I'm going to trade off on my hands because I'm better at administering medication with my right hand. So again, I have my thumb underneath her jaw here, and the rest of my fingers underneath the left side of her jaw here. What I'm going to do with her, what I find is easiest, is to sort of get her tilted to the side a little bit, where I can have access to the space between her upper and lower beaks. I like holding the syringe in this fashion because I have better control about how much I can push out at a time, because you want to just go little bits at a time, especially if a bird is not interested in taking the medicine. And so what I'm going to do is just give a few drops at a time. And there, she wanted to grab it, so we're going to give her a moment to swallow what I put in there. And I'm propping my hand on the top of her beak here, so I can just give a little bit right in between her upper and lower beaks. I'm trying to get the medicine on her tongue. Just giving a little at a time. Good bird. There you go. It's important to go a little at a time, because if you end up putting the medication into the lower beak under the tongue, it's easy for them to just scoop it out. So just go little bits at a time, try to get it on top of the tongue. Let's just let her come out of the towel and step up onto my hand. All right, little bird, you can do it. There you go. Good job. Way to go.